How do I know if I need a light clean or a deep Presale clean?
Great question. If your home is in good condition and already styled or partially maintained, a light clean may be enough. But if you want buyers to fall in love instantly, or if the home hasn't had a recent deep clean, we recommend a full Presale deep cleaning service. Here's how to decide. You may only need a light clean if the home has been cleaned recently. You've already decluttered and styled. You're just refreshing for the next inspection. You need a full deep clean if the property has been tenanted or vacant. There are visible marks, dust, or pet hair. Trades have recently been through. You want a clean that photographs perfectly. Still not sure? We'll assess your property, ask the right questions, and recommend the most cost-effective option without over-servicing. A quick call with our team will help you decide in minutes.